Hey yo, what it do's, what it do's? It's your boy Sin, and I'm back at you real quick with some goodness. Stromgain. I'm gonna make this video quick. This is how you get some free crypto. Not only are you gonna be able to earn free crypto, I'm also gonna show you how you can trade free crypto and get to that money, especially Bitcoin. All right, with this site, you know what I mean, all-in-one crypto platform with zero commission. You got it. I'm just gonna breeze through this. You can exchange crypto. You can trade crypto. You can store crypto. You know what I mean? Some information about all the news. They got their blog posts. And they also have an app. All right. With that being said, I'm already logged in on this other tab. So let me show you the inside. These are the FAQs. You know what I mean? You can go through all these if you want to, and they give you specific answers. That right there tells you. I'm gonna let y'all do that. They give you 50,000 to play with. Okay, so I'm in my demo account right now. Now, if you don't know how to do this, then research. Okay, there's nothing wrong with you doing some research. Right now, I'm mining. I got $7.55. I can withdraw at $10. Now, you cannot withdraw this to like your PayPal or to Skrill or anything because they're giving you this money. So this is free $10. What you can do is go to your real account instead of your demo account. Use that money to invest in Bitcoin when it's going up or down. Cash out whatever you make. So you get a free $10 to start making Bitcoin money today, right now. Right now, you can start mining. Every 4 hours, this is going to stop. Then I'm going to click activate again, and it's going to start mining for me again. The best part about this is everything you earn is yours. So you say you put this 10 in, Bitcoin skyrockets, you withdraw 150, that's your 150. That 10 stays in here. So you get $10 to continue to play with. Now, if you F off your $10, well, that's on you. The bonus, before I'm out of here, as you can see, you get 15% and you get an extra $3. There's no reason that you should not be on this website letting Stromgain mine Bitcoin for you every day. It's free. Crypto is at an all-time high right now. They're talking about it's going to go higher by 2022. So get in now. It's only March. You know what I mean? Start earning now. And if you don't want to do Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's Litecoin, there's Dodge. Like, there's so much crypto out there. There's Tron. You can get in. But Bitcoin is at the highest right now. So that's where all the money is. Even though they're saying this might take like a 33% drop within like the next week. But who knows? We'll see. I guarantee that it'll go back up. But with that being said, this is the site. You know what I mean? Click the link in the description. Yes, I'm going to get this 50%. You're going to get $3. And then we all going to get this free money. One love. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And I'm gone.